Are you looking for the best snow blowers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best snow blowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EGO Power Plus S&T 2112 21-inch 56-volt lithium-ion cordless snow blower. The EGO Power Plus S&T 2112 21-inch 56-volt lithium-ion cordless snow blower is a powerful and efficient snow blower that features peak power technology, a steel auger that cuts through ice and snow 50% faster, a high-efficiency brushless motor, and a 21-inch clearing width. It also has variable speed auger control, weather-resistant heavy-duty steel and composite construction, 2 bright LED headlights, and a convenient handle-mounted chute adjustment. The quick fold handle makes for easy storage. What we like: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Good battery life. Effective in deep snow. Minimal assembly required. Safety features protect investment. What we don't like: blowing distance may vary. Requires manual unclogging. Number 2. Snow Joe SJ627E Electric Walk-Behind Snow Blower. The Snow Joe SJ627E Electric Walk-Behind Snow Blower is a powerful and versatile machine, ideal for quick snow pickups on mid-sized driveways and walkways. It features a 15-amp electric motor that moves up to 25 tons/hr of snow and clears a 22 inches x 13 inches path in a single pass. It also has 2 1.5W LED lights to facilitate nighttime snow removal. The all-steel auger cuts at 22 inches wide by 13 inches. Deep path with each pass. We do recommend customers use a certain gauge and length extension cord. What we like: effective for heavy snow. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Cost-effective compared to gas models. Good customer support. Compact storage design. What we don't like: not suitable for very deep snow. Requires heavy gauge power cord. Number 3. VOLTASK 48V Cordless Snow Blower. The VOLTASK cordless snow blower is designed to make snow removal easy and efficient for you. Its powerful 48V motor, supported by 2 24V batteries, delivers a strong performance for up to 30 minutes. This means you can tackle heavy snow without interruption. The 20-inch cleaning width and 10-inch depth allow you to clear large areas quickly. With a 180-degree directional chute, you can easily control where the snow is thrown, making it versatile for different areas. Plus, the ergonomic handle reduces strain on your back, ensuring a more comfortable experience while you work. What we like: identical to original battery. Fast charger included. Long-lasting battery performance. Compatible with multiple products. Extra battery handy for heavy use. What we don't like: packaging could be improved. Number 4. PowerSmart 24-inch 2-stage snow blower. The PowerSmart 24-inch 2-stage snow blower is a powerful and efficient machine that can tackle heavy snow with its 212 cubic centimeters engine and 2,400 pounds per minute snow plowing capacity. It features an electric start, 2-stage technology, and a self-propelled system with 6 forward and 2 reverse speed settings. Customers love its ability to handle wet, heavy snow and its ease of use, though some have noted that the control instructions are not clear and the machine shuts down when the drive speed control is set to the middle position. What we like: easy assembly. Powerful performance. Electric start convenience. Durable metal blades. Good customer support. What we don't like: limited one-handed operation. Vibration issues. Number 5. AMERISUN 24-inch gas snow blower. The AMERISUN gas snow blower is designed for powerful snow removal. Its robust 7 HP engine can handle up to 2,400 pounds of snow per minute, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch height allow you to tackle various types of snow, from fluffy to heavy and wet. You can start it effortlessly with the 120V electric start, even in freezing temperatures. Plus, the integrated LED lights ensure you can work safely and effectively during nighttime. This snow blower is built for reliability and convenience, making your snow clearing experience smoother. What we like: powerful motor performance, easy assembly process, reliable starting mechanism, handles heavy snow well, good value for the price. What we don't like: instructions could be clearer, weight affects maneuverability,